Oh wow, hold the phone. There's no way. Yeah, I got it. Let's see this again. Alrighty, so you could see he has a locked up planetary. Also, yes, now I've figured this out. The audio just doesn't work. Anyways, see, there's like no power in the back left axles. That's an issue, though, by the way. But yeah, this save was like all scale. So yeah, that wow. I've seen this so many times. Well, actually, no, this is actually one of the moments I haven't seen as much. But see, look. See, he tries to see how he was like get locked up, and see, yeah, there's zero power there. Look, like even also the rear steer is clearly locked up one way. Look at that. See, he was struggling so much. Somebody saves it. Also, see that? Yeah, that was skill. That was all skill. That was all skill. Look at this. I mean, yeah.